The phoenix, a mythological creature, a bird that has a beautiful shape. And this reminds a lot of people of the origami crane. But look at how the wings are different. This was a combination design by myself, Michael LaFosse, and Satoshi Kamiya of Japan. And it's a simple model to fold if you know how to fold the origami crane. You're going to begin with a square sheet of paper, and if you're using origami paper that's colored white on one side and color on the other, begin with the colored side up, diamond-wise like this. Fold bottom edge to top edge to make a white colored triangle. And unfold. Flatten the paper out a little bit. There's your crease. Rotate the paper so that that crease runs top to bottom. And fold in half once again. Bottom corner to top, white triangle. And open. Flatten it out just a bit. Flip the paper over, white side up, and square-wise to fold in half, bottom edge to top edge. Now open like a book. You see the spine runs top to bottom. Flatten it out a little bit and fold the bottom edge of the book shape up to the top, like this. And leave it folded in half like that. Pick the paper up with both hands. Notice where my thumbs are down here near the creases, and my fingertips on the other side are there likewise. Your paper can make this shape when you move your fingers together. Let's make the layers flat and even. Two corners together flat on the right side. The other two corners flat together on the left side. And press against the table. Your shape has an open edge and a closed edge. Put the paper in front of you, diamond-wise, so that the closed edge is at the top and the open edge is at the bottom. Use this center crease as a guide. Take only two cut edges, you can see I have just two there, together, and roll it over to the center crease, like this. Make a good sharp fold there. Let's go to the other side. Remember, it's just the first two edges of paper together with both hands, and roll that over and fold. If you've done your folding properly so far, you'll have a kite shape in the middle. You'll have an open part at the bottom like this, and the whole shape is like a square diamond. Rotate your paper so the kite shape is upside down. Look here where these folded edges go across. You're going to take this bottom square corner with both hands and carefully fold that triangle shape straight over those edges like this. Use your thumbnail, scraping at the bottom, and unfold. Now unfold these triangles left and right and flatten the paper out a little bit. We're about to do what's called a petal fold in origami. Turn your paper this way so that this triangle shape with the square corner is on your left, and hold that on the table with one hand. Over here on the right, you'll see you can open the paper like a bird's mouth. Open, open, open. Notice where the fold is. That fold is bending. Open, 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 open. And you'll have a diamond shape when you flatten the paper down like this. The folds to make that shape are already in your paper. You've carefully put them in there. And the sharper you've made your folds, the easier the folding will go. Your paper will look like this. For a moment, let's turn the paper over and upside down. Kind of looks like a horseshoe crab or a stingray. Here's that triangle shape. I want you to grab that triangle shape with both hands and push it straight up and over flat as far as it will go. So this square corner is now pointing to to this square corner. It's not pointing to this narrow corner anymore. There, like that. Turn the paper over and upside down so the widest part is at the bottom, and you can see this big, tall split. We're going to make the wings of the phoenix now. Look for this crease line that goes across the center. There's another one here. Take this bottom right corner and lift it up so this edge from the center begins to turn over. Turn it up and over until it lines up with that crease. You'll get a big white triangle there on the right. Let's do the same thing on the left side. There's the crease. Here comes the edge, up and out, flat. We're going to take these edges and fold them up to the top edges, one at a time. So I'm going to start with this edge. With both hands, fold up. Matching it to the edge if you can. Make a good sharp crease. Here we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Grab the edge, turn it up to the top edge, and fold. Now unfold both sides. Look at that. And this one too. Unfold. We can make a fan shape out of these. That's how the wings get shaped. Start with this crease here. It's already bending the right way. Fold up. Now let's go to the next crease, this one here. You're going to have to bend it backwards so that it points down. And finally, here's the last crease. Fold this up. And you'll have a fan shape, like that. Let's do the other side. Remember, start with this top fold first. Bend up. Now, let's go to the next fold in line, this one. Use that to help you make the paper bend down. And finally, here's the third and last fold. Use that to help you bend the paper up. Like that. Turn the paper around so that we can make the neck and the beak. This narrow corner gets folded up. Right about there is fine. And now the beak. Fold some of this paper down, maybe to the bottom or very close, like that. Pick the phoenix up with both hands, turn it over, and fold in half, like closing a book. Use this crease, like this. Left side over to right. Even the head gets folded in half. If you've folded an origami duck before, the next two steps will seem very familiar. Hold the phoenix with one hand, grab the head paper like this, and just pull it out. That makes the neck. When you think it looks good, right about there, flatten the paper at the bottom so that it stays that way. And now, let's make the beak. Grab the corner and pull it out. Whatever looks good to you is fine. About like that. Pull open the wings. Look at that beautiful fan shape. And then the other side too. These look great in bright colors or gold foil. The Origami Phoenix.